Okay, we're getting ready to make some chicken on the griddle. It's going to be similar to a stir fry. It's going to have some seasonings, which are going to be a little different than what we've had in the past. I believe I had my griddle up too hot, getting things ready, but I guarantee it's going to work. We'll let that blacken up there and it'll be fine. Now, this is, I can't believe it's not butter, and this is a pump spray, but it really tastes good to have no sodium, no calories. So I'm going to spritz it a bit with that. And then we're going to use, this is Yum Yum, Get Some, Danos. Put a little bit of that on there. Knocking over stuff. And of course, we will have some black pepper on it. See if that needs turning. Looking good. A little black pepper. This is some everything but the salt. Now, everything I've put on here so far, except for Danos, has no salt. But Danos has only 50 milligrams of sodium per 1/4 teaspoon, and that is not very much. So yeah, we're trying to make things a little healthier for us. And a lot of times when I'm not on here making videos like I used to, I'm trying to let my eyes rest more away from the computer and all, because I have macular degenerative eye disease, which is basically losing your sight. So to prolong it, I'm trying my best to do what I can, and I'm off of the computer, and I don't read as much. I mean, I'm on it quite a bit more than I need to be, probably still yet. I get to reading and working and editing, and it gets blurry even with and without glasses. So I got to let my eyes stop and adjust. My glasses work to some extent. One eye is worse than the other. That kind of throws you off. Anyways, back to this. We'll be back. Alrighty. I think this is looking good. Got some char on it. I like the char. I'm going to scoot it to the side over here. On this side. And I have these burners off over here on this side, and I got them down on low on that side. We're gonna kind of put some butter there, mixed with a little olive oil. And then we're gonna put the carrots in there and let them start cooking. Set them about there. Now I'm going to have some onion, a little more olive oil down, like my little spray bottle there. Now we're going to dump this in there. Now we have, let's see, we've got yellow squash, zucchini, we got red or yellow and green bell pepper, and we have onion. And this is going to be good. Sure like it. Love vegetables. Yeah. And of course, we're going to have some broccoli. Now we're going to spritz it with some, can't believe it's not butter. And we're just going to spritz it good because you can keep your fingers straight on it because there's no calories in it, no sodium. So now we do that. Now we're going to give it a little seasoning here. And this is, again, everything but salt. Now a little damp. Boy, I tell you what, if it's made to knock over, I'll do it. Now we're going to put some Danos on there. This is something we've been trying. We're lowering our salt content as much as we can. Let that kind of cook there a little bit. Move these around a bit. Cook a little bit more there. Turn them over, just kind of scoot them towards the hotter part. Maybe that'll work for you. That's looking good. Let's give it a stir. Should have got my other spatula, used both hands, but I hate to show off. That kind of set there a bit. Give this a turn and move around. Looking good. Get it over there a little bit more. It's time to get these up. Put them in here. Oh, that looks good. It smells good too. Okay, now run the chicken over here just a little bit more. A little more butter and roll it around a bit, and then we're gonna take it, get it out. Alrighty. Whoop. Alright. Chicken and vegetables, low sodium, healthy. That looks good. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing.